like every other island person from Tonga or Samoa or Fiji, wherever, looking for a future here in New Zealand. And unfortunately, he had an accident and he got both his arms cut off. But it was a blessing in disguise. Because of that accident, he was offered his papers for this country, and it was a way of him bringing him, his wife, and his kids into this country. He was disabled. He had hooks, these steel hooks. Maybe some of you guys remember Tavite. He had 2 hooks. I remember him very well. My head, I can still feel his hooks in my head. But Tavite, even though he was disabled, he done so much more than what we have done in our lifetime. Tavite, with hooks, was a teacher. He was, he led the community of Onehana Catholic. He opened up he bought 2 houses. 2 houses. One house he opened up to all the Tongan families that moved here from Tonga. He opened up the rooms. He made space. He loved these people, his family, and even other Tongan people. For all the old men that came here from Tonga as well, he opened up his home. In the backyard, Tavite, both houses, one house full of te mata. The other house, koe lu, koe mereni, koe agau avoka, mori, apere, peace, you name it, my grandfather had it there. In the front yard, my nana had all the flowers you can think of. Koe rose, koe siare, you name it, it was all there. This who is Tavite. And that's who this guy is named after, Tavite. I talked with his dad last week, and he said, what a waste of a name, the name, name after grandpa. But no, I see one characteristic. Vite Storia, he'll grow into being grandpa one day. But there's one characteristic that I see Vite, he takes after the old man. The reason why Tavite did everything he could, because he didn't fear any man. Look at Ohai, looking at him because of his 2 arms. He didn't care. He saw that he needed to do what he had to do for the community, what he had to do for his family, and he went and did it. And I can see that when Vite here, he's a fearless man. But the reason why our grandpa did that, because he feared God. And Vite, that's our encouragement for you. Fear God, put God first. And that's who Vite is named after. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for the long explanation. And DJ, please. Oh, before we start, I want to ask Tenisia, please, if you can. It's the only time I'm going to ask you to come do something. Please come up. We've got something to give you. On behalf of Baya sisters. And just a special mention for my grandpa's sister, Soana. She's here with us. Thank you, Soana, and the kids, and also my grandfather's family who's here blessing us. God bless your heart, Soana, for holding the family together. Thank you, everyone.